Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Rebound, the Daily Trader. It is December 30th, and we are going to take a look at the Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so just for the fun of it, Palantir is having an update today. So we are basically in a congestion zone, so things are all over the place. We closed up 52 cents, 2.86%, closed at 1869. Post-market, we are down 5 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we have a nice green candle, and we got rejected towards the end of the day here. If not, it would have been a nice green candle that would have gone almost up to 1910. I'm going to remove this 1861 because it no longer applies. Yeah, what can I say? It's pretty boring. What happened here? So you had some people buy in the morning. So that gave the impulse for the first hour of the day. Then the 4 hours straight of the stock going up. And now we came down right onto 1864. So 1864 seems to be more important than I thought. I deleted 1861 on the daily chart, but I'm going to keep this one here. And stochastic on the hourly chart is back over 60. That's positive for Palantir. We have a crossover bullish for MACD. When the blue line goes over the orange line, though, it means that it's a buy signal. And when DMIA does so, also it's a buy signal and blah, blah, blah. So nice comeback for Palantir, but we are still into the congestion zone. Let's go back to the daily chart. So we have a congestion zone at 1910, between 1910 and 1782. That's the first congestion zone, and I am almost tempted to say that we have a second one here. Let me correct. So this text should be red. So the second congestion zone is up to 2010. So see here, 2010, we hit it here. So now we are very tight. And a stock does not like to stay very tight like this. Something is going to happen. Unless we cross 2010, not much is going to happen, in my opinion. Of course, if you want to get in right now, you can get it right now because we are still pretty close to the 782 support. So you would be getting at an okay price. If you want to play that game, if you want to play the trend following game, then you need to have a trend first. We thought we were going to get one here, but right now I don't see a trend yet. I'm going to see a trend when we cross 2010, but unless we can spot a new pattern over here under 1910, I don't see one yet. And looking at the indicators, so stochastic at 28, RSI under 50, and MACD still called it very early, and DMI has not called it yet. I'm tired of saying this, but let's wait a little bit more. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can click on my TradingView affiliate link to buy a great technical analysis book. And also you can become a YouTube member. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.